We'll go bigger here.
Yeah, man. One other team, Dave, that I'm gonna beat.
Which building are they going to?
It's going far. He might be going to the same one I am. He is going to the same one I am.
Tell me if you need help, bud. I hear someone near me too. Shit. Oops.
Was that you firing?
Nope. There's someone in my building.
Okay, I'm coming to you.
Okay.
Oh, he's looking at me. You can come up behind him.
Yep.
He's on the second floor roof, Dave.
Okay.
Second floor. If you go up there, he doesn't know.
I'm trying to figure out how to get up there. Okay. I can go up. Distract him, shoot him. Right or left? Ah! Come in, quick. He's one hit.
Stop moving.
Is anyone else up there?
No.
Do you have any heals on him?
I dropped a heal right on you.
Oh,
downstairs.
Shit.
Kill that guy.
He had nothing
here
on
you go.
him.
I got your heal. Go upstairs.
Good teamwork.
This guy running outside. He's fighting. Let's go. Hey! Want a punch?
Oh, someone shoot me.
Got him.
Good teamwork, buddy.
Yeah, that worked well. Yeah, but just give her a second. It just got home. Okay, now we can loot.
Well done.
Yeah, it was good. I can use any type of scope, but let's stick together now.
I'm just looking for any weapon whatsoever, dude.
Yeah, I hear you. Oh, the circle's on us. We have all the time in the world to loot.
Remember, we only got one boat.
We don't need a boat. We need your stinking
We're gonna
boat.
get off the island, bud.
No, we don't. We can swim. Look at where we are. Mini 14 over here, Dave, if you want.
Oh god, I'll take it. I will take it.
I dropped a flashlighter for you too. Right on insert. Yeah.
Thanks. Any bullets?
Yeah, lots. I didn't really loot my building very well either because we were battling, so I could probably go back up there.
Look at this. Thank you. You're a good man. Oh my god, someone's there. Oh no.
Someone's there?
Scared the shit out of me.
Someone's there?
No. Look at this. Come, can you see me?
Yeah.
Look at this.
Oh, is it oh god, eh? that's good. That's good.
Scared the crap out of me, dude.
When I was watching Shroud play, that's
Yeah.
exactly what was happening to him. He kept on seeing people like that. Yeah, but she
Oh,
loves
I see someone over here, dude. Can you hit him?
Where?
On the beach.
What number?
265. He's swimming to the boat. His friend's there.
Where?
In the boat, 265.
Oh, right there.
I just shot him twice. I got the bottom guy. I'm getting shot.
Dave, a lot of people are firing on us.
Yeah, where
We're
are
in
they
a bad
firing from?
location. Everywhere, Dave. Everywhere. Everywhere.
Dude, it's crazy. They're hitting us up there too.
Yeah, I think there's people up on the mountain that are hitting us. No, not there. On the other side where we gotta go.
That's funny. I got him 3 good hits though.
Okay, nice. Yeah, I was looking more on our side of the beach. I didn't realize it was across the water.
That guy tried to get in the boat. He got fucked. Do you want to get the boat?
Yeah, we need to cross.
Where do you want me to go to?
Oh yeah, go right to the drop. Go right to the drop. Right where we orange. Turn.
I'm turning
Turn all
it.
the way around. Go forward a bit. Turn all the way around. Oh my god.
Dude, I just don't want to get. I don't want to get
Turn right.
sandbagged.
Turn
Yeah.
right. Go right to the drop. Oh, is that drop? Is that out of bounds? Oh, it is out of bounds.
Look at that other drop to our left. The red smoke just disappeared. No, that's not out of bounds, dude.
That is out of bounds, Dave.
No,
No?
no. It's right where our yellow marker is, dude.
Oh, okay. We go fast, we're okay. We're almost out of gas, though. We might have to abort if the circle's bad.
Dude, we're screwed anyways.
Oh, Dave. Dave, turn
Yeah.
back. Turn back. We have no more gas. We gotta get to the island. Go to the island. Go to the island. Go to orange. Go to yellow. Go to yellow. Don't fold. No, stop. Take your throttle off. Take the throttle off.
I'm not throttling,
We have
dude.
no this.
I'm not throttling.
We're gonna go to the very back of the island.
No, I did a bit more. No, I did a bit more.
I can't believe this island is where it is. Isn't that nuts?
I've never seen an island one.
I've never seen this. Just think, everybody on the other side that doesn't have a boat is now doing this.
So we can go fucking shoot the shit out of them.
We just gotta make sure the other team on this island doesn't get us.
I think they left the island. They're gonna come back, dude.
Let's cut off what I say.
Yeah, I see a car beelining it south. I think a lot of people are gonna be doing this. We could hold the island, man.
To see where they come from. To shoot them when they come on
Yeah.
the beach.
Exactly. Everybody's gonna be doing this. Oh, Dave, you see the boat? The jet ski?
Where?
10. Directly 10.
Yeah. One shot.
No, Daddy's playing. Chase him, Dave. Chase him.
Yeah. Guns out.
Right here.
One's dead.
Oh my god, I put so many bullets in him. Davey, ghillie suit.
Dead.
Nice. Nicely done. They're gonna have gear too.
Yeah, let's get him. Wait for me. You're no rush, dude. We're in the circle.
Yeah, I want. Okay. I can hear a battle, so I want to come up behind the
Okay,
battle and
no
kill them.
problem. I'm
Did you
suppressed.
boost?
I'm suppressed, yeah.
I'm suppressed with the AWM.
Oh, look at us. Fancy. Dude, I'm suppressed with the Kark.
Okay. This is our shot, Dave. I see a team.
Give me a number.
One guy southwest on a tree. I could take a headshot. Right near the beach.
Me too, I can take it too. Let's see. Tell me when you want to do it. Wait till he stops.
I don't-
He thinks he's safe.
Yeah.
Ready?
Yeah, wait till he stops.
He stopped.
Did you hit him?
Yeah.
Knocked him.
There's another one too.
Hit him once.
Killed him.
Got him. Great job, Dave. Dave, there's one left.
Oh. Where's that motherfucker? Yeah, I didn't see him.
Which means the circle just went on the base where I think he is.
I don't want to play this.
We gotta boost up and run in, man. I bet you he is in that brown building.
You're getting shot.
He's
Where is
behind
he?
us, he's behind us.
Where's behind
He's
us?
down the mountain that you were at. Hey, move all the way down, move all the way down. He's gotta come to us. He's behind us.
Okay, I'll be in a second. He must be over here, right? To our south?
Like he didn't come down here, which is crazy.
That means he must have flanked and he's now south, dude. Is that you running?
Yeah, I'm gonna stop running in a sec. If I was him, I'd flank all the way down and right.
Where is he?
I don't know. Sorry. He's firing. He's directly. Oh, got me around the corner. Directly south. Directly south. Directly south. Dave, can you get to me?
Yeah.
Can you come off the back of the building?
Yeah.
I'm dying quick.
Okay. I'm getting shot.
He's directly west.
Yep.
He's gonna push.
Grenade.
It's a bad grenade. It's a bad grenade. He's coming. He's coming. He's coming. Run inside. Run inside. Run inside. Heal up.
I'm getting shot. Move. Getting shot.
Yep.
I'm setting a grenade down there, okay?
He's right outside the door in the west.
Yep. Setting another one. Setting another one.
The only thing I can think is he climbed on the roof, Dave. Stop moving. Oh, he's right behind me. He's right here.
Fucking that dude.
That guy's a ninja. That guy is a ninja.
Did you see that? That was funny. That was a great game.
Yeah, you can't.